Solar container air conditioning is working on mains today because the solar panels aren't up, but it shows you at 220 volts and 4.8 amps. We're running at about 1050 watts peak when the compressor is going. 1050 watts is enough to be handled by the Bluetti AC200 Max. So on sunny days you can run your air conditioning on solar with a solar generator, provided you're careful with your other usages such as cooking and so on. But yes, this air conditioner mini split with inverter technology, ramped up to about 4.8 amps, and is running at about 1000 watts right now, bringing the temperature down to 21 degrees. And once it reaches it, then I expect the power consumption will be a lot less.